Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am very excited to unveil the brand new MI Band 5, which is improved heart rate sensor and PAI activity enabled, that is the personal activity intelligence enabled, and of course it has the AMOLED display. So in this video I will cover how to configure this band first time and how to synchronize this band with your smartphone via MI Fit app, and of course the salient features of the MI Band 5. Every step I will discuss with you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So this is the box pack of the brand new MI Band 5, and clearly you can see some salient features which is written on the box pack. It is AMOLED color touchscreen display, but it is 1.1 inch, that is a 20% bigger with respect to the previous siblings. And here you can see it is a real-time heart rate monitoring, that is the improved, and second, that is a waterproof up to 50 meter, so you can easily wear the band when you are swimming and wash your hands, no problem at all. And of course the third salient features is a magnetic charging. So this is a hassle-free charging. Each and everything I will show you. So now let us unpack the box. Okay, now you can see inside the box, this is the band, and this is charging cable and manual. So each and everything specification is written for the MI Band 5 here. So if open this one, so this is the magnetic charging cable, and in this situation it is very improved. You can see it is the magnetic charging case, and now this is the MI Band 5. So this one, now you can see MI Band 5, the wristband is made up of silicone, which is the skin soothing. Feeling is very good when you keep in your hand. First time when you use this band, you have to charge this product full, that is 100%. So how to charge this MI Band 5, I will show you that also. And low power charging is needed for this MI Band 5. So in this case, so if you want to charge it, then you have to use this charging module. You have to enter the low power charging mode by pressing it twice instantly. So a strong magnet is there, so it will pull automatically the charging port to this destination. So you can see automatically, and it is charging. You can see it is now charging. So in this way you have to charge the product first time at 100%. You can see the watch face of this band, and it is showing you to configure the language first time, and that will obviously be English. So click here, and it is showing that you have to pair. The next step is to pair it first. So that's why you have to go to the Play Store, and here Play Store, here you have to search for MI Fit. So this is the MI Fit app by which you can synchronize the smart band with a smartphone. Now already I have downloaded and installed it, so open it. I will show you how to synchronize this smart band with the smartphone. Then go to here, and here it is written that add device. So click on the add device, and app will show you band, watch, scale, smart shoes. So band, as I am just want to connect the band, so you have to click here band. Okay, then agree, and here in the watch you have to pair it. Okay. You can see automatically it has been paired, so then you have to confirm it from the band. So click yes. Now it is paired successfully, and it also show in the smartphone also. See, okay, connected. So you can see here 85% charge, not charged after pairing. So it is showing the status of the smart band is showing on the smartphone here. 85% it is charged, and here so many options are there. So I will show you how to configure these options one by one. So I will show you on the band here. Now you can see this is the watch faces of the band. Below portions you have to touch here, then it will be wake up. Swipe from up to down, then the next portion will come. This is the more, workout mode, then weather mode, then events, then breathing exercise. This is introduced new. Stress level, you have to configure the stress level, it is also new. This is the notification. From all the notifications you have to enable from your MI Fit app, and it will be synchronized here. Again it is a heart rate monitoring, heart rate sensor, and PAI, this is the personal activity intelligence. You have to activate all these options, and then status, then again the watch face. Okay, so this watch face you can change, you can MI fit app. So I'll show you that things. First of all, I'll go to the more. This more option, if you click here, you can see DND. You can hear alarm, camera, music, then stopwatch, then timer, then find device, then silent, then wall clock, band display, and settings. Show all these things here. So settings here, brightness you can set, lock screen on the band you can set, then auto screen off you can set here, and detect activity and reboot, factory reset, and regulatory and about. So in this way you have to operate. Now if you go to the workout mode, then click here, then 11 workout mode are there: outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, then rowing machine, then yoga, then jump rope, then pool swimming, then freestyle. So all 11 type of modes are there. If you go into the yoga, then click here, then it is showing that fasten the band to get more accurate data, then click here, then it will go into the mode 1. In this way all the timers will be activated and it will help you to record the yoga activity. Now, so if you want to go back, then press and hold, then click here, timer is too short to be recorded, okay, click OK. In this way you have to operate. Now click here, then go to the weather. So here click here, then it is showing the weather here. So minimum maximum temperature and humidity level, UV index, tomorrow's weather, then and events. So if there is a event, so no reminders, add events on MI Fit Now. So breathing exercise you can do. Now stress, now show you, fasten the band slightly above the wrist, click here, and you can see what is happening in the back of the smart band. So it is just monitoring your stress level. Now I'll show you, if you want to measure the heart rate, then you have to click here, see, you can see the heart rate sensor will be activated at that time. So you have to put on it, then it will be measured correctly. You can see 97 BPM. So now pi activity. So 7-day pi, the personal activity intelligence, according to your workout, each and everything will be stored here. And now I'll show you, this is the watch face. So different type of watch face you can install. Here the watch face, you can see, I will show you. If you change the watch face, then you have to go to the settings, and here it is band display. Okay, so click here, band display, then if you just swipe up or down, then the band display will be changed, you can see. So here total 3 band displays are available by default, but if you want to configure by other band faces, then you have to go to store. You can see here store, go to store, and going to store, so these are the different type of watch faces are here. So if you want to configure any other watch faces, if you see this watch faces is okay, then click here, suppose this one, and then synchronize watch face. You can see downloading, and it will be synchronized here. It is synchronizing. So this smart band 5, so many features. So if I want to cover in a one video, that will be very difficult. So if any features, if you want to know, then comment me and I will make a video for that. Okay, you can see synchronized, and watch face is synchronized here successfully. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you.